Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix speaker not working problem on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. So make sure turn off do not disturb button. After turn off do not disturb button, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset, reset phone and reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, so it just reset all setting, it's not gonna remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix speaker not working problem on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.